Good morning. Happy Monday. How many days have we been like this? I haven't been keeping track. Um, so you'll, this will be for your reference after our meeting today. Um, it is going to be in Microsoft Teams. It is via chat. We cannot physically speak to each other. We cannot physically look at each other. So please bear in mind when you are logging in today that that is all you are going to be able to do. After spring break is over, we'll be transitioning back into Microsoft Teams and we'll have more information on that later. All right, again, how can you reach me? You've got my email, you've got Remind, you've got Google Hangouts. My office hours are down there. They may or may not change just because of some of the times that we're meeting now. So I will give you a heads up on if it's changing or not. Again, you guys always know that you can reach me on Remind. Some of you find many ways to get a hold of me, so I'm totally cool with whenever you want to talk. Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, this is the time schedule. Second block 10 to 10:30, third block 11 to 11:30. Pro Start is at 1 for Pro Start 1, and then Pro Start 2 is at 1:45. It is expected that you are there. Some of you have not gone in and did any daily check-in or check-out. I know the majority of the CT teachers are using this. I was giving it to them as a resource, and a lot of them are loving it because we want to check in with you guys. We cannot possibly be able to call you every day. You can't call me every day. If your parents need to speak to me, they know how to get a hold of me. You can show them this slide, and I'll be sending it home via email as well. All right. Only 4 days until spring break. Hopefully everyone can try to relax. Please don't do any schoolwork for me or for other teachers if you don't have to. Please make sure you do your daily check-in. Here is your form for that and your Google form for your end of the day check-in. And we're going to talk about the time schedule and the chat rooms. All right. All work be assigned in Canvas. All modules will be open today and they close on Friday. So that means that you're not going to be able to see the assignment after Friday. They're all due this week. I did not close out the one for the meal kit because you're still working on that one. And because we were told that if we're using Canvas, we all have to be turning in things on Canvas. I'm not sure of the reason, but that's if you want to put it in your Google Doc folder too as a backup, because we know Canvas loves me, aka joke. We know that Canvas is not my best friend. So for your safety, put it in your Foods 2 folder that you made for me. It's there, but please make sure it's uploaded to Canvas. I think this is for people that are watching our courses to make sure work is being done. Virtual schedule, all the Cabarrus County high schools have are going to be using, well, for our school anyway, this is going to be, our new online platform. If we are meeting online and chatting or virtually, I'm doing something with you live, this is the scheduled class time that we are going to be using. Your teachers for other classes need to follow this because then if they don't, it's going to overlap with somebody else's time, and that's not cool. All right. If I need to cancel or change it, I'll let you know, but normally it's going to stay the same because I need the same consistency as everybody else. All right. I already showed you the meeting times on that first slide from before. All right, this is the big thing for today and tomorrow. Would you like to get ServSafe Food Handler certified? Couple things about this. ServSafe Food Handler is different from the ServSafe Manager. You have been studying the ServSafe Manager all year. However, right now you can take the online course. It takes about 2 hours. And then take the assessment online all from your home. I don't have to proctor anything. It's free. This certification is just as good as a ServSafe Manager. Obviously, the manager is going to allow you to be in charge of other people, but this is a good option for you right now. It is a great review. If you get the handler, you will sure as heck be able to handle the manager exam. Why? Because the notes that I gave you, the big fat packet, that was the ServSafe Food Handler course right there in your big fat packet. Now, some of you are going, oh no, it's at school. Well, you have the packet answers in Canvas online. I will reopen that for you. I'm not sure if I have closed it out or not, but I will reopen that page for you. I'm pretty sure it's there. You only get one attempt. So make sure, you get one for free, and then after that, you would have to pay for it. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So I'm going to click on this link for you, and it's going to take you to the Google Doc that you'll be able to have access to. And this is going to show you how to log in. During today's meeting, I will show you how to log in via live. I'll share my screen with you. And then, just real quick, you're just going to go to ServSafe.com. Now, if you've already taken the exam, a few of my students have already taken the manager exam, so you guys are good to go. You want to log in, and you want to create a profile. All right, and you're going to fill out everything with the red asterisk here. Okay. You're not going to put anything in the exam session number because you don't have one. And you're going to put I am not a robot, and you're going to hit register. And then it's going to take you to a screen where you're going to be able to choose the test itself or the course, okay? The exam is only 45 questions. The real exam, the ServSafe Manager exam, is 90. So you guys are, this is a great thing to have. You need a 75 to pass. Please make sure you take a screenshot or photo of your results and email it to me. It is there are a lot of crazy stories in this, and you do not have to complete the whole online course in one sitting. So start it today and take notes. I'm going to give you some notes that I have for you, and you have the ability to write things down and use those notes for the test. Okay. And it's still an officially nationalized, recognized certification. So if you leave here, North Carolina, you will still have it when you go to another state if you choose to work in food service. I will tell you right now, it is a hard time right now with restaurants and hospitality. However, restaurants are still open, and restaurants are still delivering, and restaurants still need people to work that may or may not be able to work because of their home situation. A lot of adults that have kids, they might not be able to work right now because their kids are at home. So you still will be able to have access to a job when this whole thing is over. Okay. Let's go back to our presentation. All right. So this is going to be today and tomorrow. If you do not get it done until Thursday, that's fine. I just wanted you to work on that today and tomorrow. And I'll be on with you tomorrow too if you have any questions, because we're going to talk 3 times this week. All right. So the assignments, the 3 assignments that are correlated to our class are the My Plate Scavenger Hunt and Diet Analysis, your Life Cycle Nutrition, and Be Sugar Savvy. Okay, remember to turn all your assignments in. These are all Google Docs. Remember, you're going to force a copy. You're going to make a copy of this, okay? When you get there, you're going to hit File, Make a Copy, so you know where you're going. Okay? The Be Sure Savvy, Sugar Savvy, make sure you know the due date for that. That's April 20th, okay? Sorry, I'm trying to find something that I was trying to do. Okay. You have the ability to, all right, so these are just reminders of the code of conduct. We've already talked about that. We don't need to do it again, but that's there for you to understand. And then remember, last week's work is all here if you missed anything, okay? So let's go back up here again. Here's the way to reach me. This is going to be is already in your Canvas modules. So please make sure that you are there at your assigned time today. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.